Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Trust Wallet application. If you want to secure your crypto wallet with enabling biometric login, first of all, launch open the Trust Wallet application on your device and make sure that you are inside the home page of Trust Wallet. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up settings menu. From here, click on security. Under security, first of all make sure that you've enabled passcode option. Toggle on the button right next to passcode and create a passcode for your wallet. Confirm your passcode by entering it again, and then you'll be able to open up other different security menu. In order to enable biometrics, click on the lock method button and make sure that you've selected the passcode/face ID button, and with this, you will be able to enable biometrics on your Trust Wallet account. You will also be able to see the auto lock option under security. Tap on it and select how soon the app locks after inactivity. Choose whether it is away for 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour, or 5 hours. In my case, I'm just gonna select immediate. And once you are done with this, you'll be able to enable biometric login on Trust Wallet account. By following these steps, you have successfully done it. This will add a layer of protection and convenience for your crypto assets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.